The reason why I make this video is simply because this one thing that I changed in Facebook ads actually changed my business and turned everything around. Now I'm not saying this to market myself or to over-exaggerate. It changed everything. And the way it changed is that it changed simply in sales. Right, so before I did this thing I had like one sale in a year or something like that. After I did this, an hour and 32 minutes in, I got my first sale. 5 minutes later, I got my second sale. But imagine you right now, do that little change and you'll get that. So what I did a Facebook campaign, instead of doing what you also should do down the line, and you should pretty much always do, is set it up for conversions. Set it up for traffic. Now this is something I've learned through courses and such, so it doesn't really get preached about. Take this and use it as fast as you can. Reason being is the traffic just takes everything. With the traffic, you get as much traffic as possible for the money you put in, instead of the conversions that automatically only go for the people who want to buy, right? And of course, this sounds smart and such, but in the beginning, you simply have a product and a page and something that you want to get out to people. You want that as fast as possible, so you just want to get as much traffic in as you can. And when you get all that traffic, then you can go through all that traffic and select and go into conversions there, because now we got a lot of data, right? So it all works out. Do that, right? Go in, select traffic instead of conversions, and you will see results immediately in the first day of doing it, just facts. So when you've done that, please DM me. Guys, that's it. My Instagram is always down below. You can go in and DM me anything if you want any help. Please like this video, that would mean the world to me. We are only at 20 subscribers right now, so everything would actually help me. Also dislike. And of course, subscribe would mean more than you can even imagine. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do use my advice, right? See you guys.